Okay, so today I'm going to show you some bugs on Realme UI on Realme phones. So as you can see, this is a Realme phone, and this phone of mine is Realme 3 Pro, and I've been using this for more than 1.5 years now, and this phone is doing really great. But for around 6 to 7 months now after the Realme UI update, I've been seeing some bugs around this UI, and I hoped that software updates will be fixed, but it isn't. But as you know, Realme is good with software updates, so I think these bugs will be fixed very soon. So I just wanted to mention it in this video. So as you can see, my device here is Realme 3 Pro, Android version 10, and Realme UI 1. Soon it will get Realme UI 2, hope so. And I'm running on the latest software update that is available for this mobile phone. So as you can see, RMX 1851.11c.10, this is the latest one that's available for my phone. So I've found the bugs in this version itself, so I hope other phones may have these bugs. So the first bug that I found out is in FM radio. So I know that a lot of people do not really listen to FM radio, but I'm in those minority, and the fact that I found that there is no recording option in FM radio, so you can't record anything from the FM radio app itself. And when I found out this, I thought that okay, let's just record the screen with the system sound on, and then I'll convert it to a audio. But whenever I try to record the screen with the screen recorder built in into the phone with the FM radio application, it just crashes. It does not let the app record the screen while I'm on the FM radio app. So it's a big bummer, I think, because maybe a lot of people don't really listen to audio, but a feature that's not working in this app is really terrible. So, and then the second bug, I wouldn't really call it a bug, but a little annoying thing is that this mute notifications on these things. So as you can see, this icon triggers the mute notifications where the ringer volume still remains intact, but the volume of the notifications gets silent, just like messenger notification or WhatsApp notifications. Those volumes get silent, but this annoying notification comes out saying that mute notifications on, banner notifications and sound alerts will be blocked to reduce disturbance, etc. So the thing is that I don't want this in my status bar, okay? I want it removed. So as you can see, you cannot remove it. You can just hide it, I mean snooze it for a certain amount of time, like 2 hours, but then it will be back again. I muted the notifications, and I know it because there is an icon over there. You don't need to remind me every now and then. So I don't need this notification often, often, disturbing me. So I think this notification needs to be removed. Okay, so then another bug I found in this app management system and this app list. So here it takes some time to load. Okay, that's not a problem at all because there's a lot of app in this phone. It should take some time. It's not a fact at all. So the problem that I've encountered is that if I try to uninstall any app from here, so let me find some unuseful app from here. So okay, so let me uninstall this app. When I install this app from this app management section, the phone lags. Let me just show you. Okay, I'm just going to uninstall this app, and then the whole UI will lag. As you can see, the touch is registering, but this is not moving. This is really annoying to me. As you can see, you can just scroll in the UI. You just have to go back and then scroll again. As you can see, the touch is registering. I'm touching, but the display is not moving according to my touches. But if I go back, as you can see, it's still hanging. As you can see, I'm really having trouble even going back. Okay, so now again, if I'm go to app list, it's okay again. But whenever I just try to uninstall an app and then just scroll again here, it just lags. I don't know why. Okay, so the problem, I mean, it's not a bug at all, but it's just a small little thing. It's not a bug. Again, I'm saying that I have no complaints against Realme, okay? These are just some software bugs that needs to be fixed, and I'm just mentioning it in this video. Okay, so a small thing that I need to address is that in Realme UI 1, the storage settings is in the additional settings. Like, why? Storage is a really primary need in every phone, so it should not be in additional settings. The storage should just pop out here, not in additional settings. I think in Realme UI 2 the matter is fixed, but the phones that will not get Realme UI 2 should get an update, and the storage section should be moved right in front of this settings here. Okay, so another bug is that the crop function of the built-in photo editor does not work perfectly. So here, let me bring out a video. This is a 1 second video. Okay, so now I'm clicking on edit, and then I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to click on crop. Okay, so here I want to crop the upper portion of the video, but I can't do that because if I click on 1:1, it just let me select the center area, and as you can see I'm trying to move it, but it does not move. 4:3, the aspect ratio just changes, but I cannot choose my desired area even if I pinch and try, as you can see. So I think this is another bummer for this Realme UI. I cannot just move it. It just forces me to do the aspect ratio they've provided, nothing else. So this is another bug I think that needs to be fixed, because this is a major bummer to me. To video editors, this could be a major bummer. Okay, so another bummer is when I try to do swipe to back from both side of the screen. In some certain apps the slide bar does not work. So as you can see, I'm in a music player right here, and there is a sliding menu here which I can slide from left to the right. But as I've turned on the swipe to back feature from both sides, as you can see, I cannot pull it out in this mode. As you can see, I cannot pull it out in this mode at all. But if I just have to tap on here, and then it will pull it out. To prove it, I'm just going to change the navigation bar, and then I'm going to show you that it works in this mode. As you can see, it works in this mode, but when I change it back to swipe gestures from both sides, it does not work. So this is a slight bummer that needs to be fixed, I think. Okay, so this is a minor problem that I faced. Many of you will not face it because this is a rare problem. Is that there is an app called KWGT which makes custom widget for your mobile phones. So there are many templates for KWGT by which you can decorate your mobile phone. When I try to use the KWGT widget with some Wi-Fi systems that, you know, it lets me change the Wi-Fi from the widgets, it does not work on Realme phones. I've seen on YouTube that it works on other companies' phones, but when I try to turn on or off Wi-Fi from KWGT widget templates, it does not let me do it. So this is a minor problem, but I think this needs to be fixed. So now another minor problem I faced is that sometimes the Bluetooth headset battery bar lags. I've just found it 2 to 3 times, so this is not a major issue at all, but I'm just letting you know. So another, I'm not saying it's a bug, but it's an unuseful system, I'll say, is that on the Realme Lab you have a feature called smooth scrolling, and then there is a settings where scroller is screen more smoothly, but I've never seen this is beneficial. I've turned it on, turned it off, but I've never seen that this is beneficial. So just before recording this video, I turned it on again to check if there's any difference or at all. But I don't think there is any difference. So I just clicked on dislike, as you can see. Another minor bummer is that the screencast feature does not work with my Android TV. I use Mi TV stick, and if I turned on the Android TV and turn on screencast to search the device, it never searches my device, and it never recognizes the device. It just keeps loading, and it just doesn't work. I need to use the separate Google Home app to connect it to the TV, and this is a minor bug again, but this should be fixed. And this is right now my TV is off, so it isn't showing me anything.